Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about this Vampy fierce look over here. If you want to see how I did it, keep on watching. First thing that I did is to apply the step 1 for Makeup Forever. It's a base that I like to apply before my foundation, and I applied it with the brush number 176 from Makeup Forever. I finish with the primer. I choose for this look the MAC Cosmetics foundation, the Match Master. It's a full coverage foundation. I go little by little. I don't apply a lot of products on my face because I don't want to look like a mask, so I would take my time and apply it little by little with the same brush that I applied the primer. If we are still applying the full coverage products, for concealer I also choose a full coverage one for Makeup Forever. It's Extreme Camouflage Cream. I applied this just a tiny bit also with the brush from MAC Cosmetics 195. Again, I don't apply a lot of product. I just go slightly under my eyes, so a little bit on my nose and forehead. And that's kind of basically it. A very important step in the makeup is to fix the concealer and basically the whole makeup. So I choose a HD powder from Makeup Forever, and with the brush 160 for Makeup Forever also, I'm gonna apply it exactly where I placed the concealer, and then all over my face. For the sculpting, I have chosen the Artist Face color in the shade S118, and with a tiny fluffy brush 144 from Makeup Forever, I'm gonna apply it on my jaw, on my nose, and on my cheeks. I'm not gonna use a lot of product. Again, I'm just gonna use a little bit, step by step, and create exactly the shade that I want. I always like to start my makeup with applying primer, of course. One of my favorite is MAC Cosmetics primer in the shade Soft Talker. The first shade that I am going to apply for my eyes is black from Makeup Forever in the shade M100. For my eyes, I am only gonna use two brushes, 174 and 208 from Makeup Forever. With one I am going to apply, and with the other one I'm just gonna extend the black, blending really good. After I apply the black, I'm gonna apply this shade right here from Makeup Forever. It's an eyeshadow in number ME230. Doing this, it's really gonna help me pop up the black. For the lower lash, I choose these two colors from Morphe palette B35, and with the brush 258 from Makeup Forever, I'm first gonna draw a line on the lower lash and then apply it in the inner corner. As you see on the upper lid, I want to draw a very graphic line between the pink and the blue, because I think that will give a very nice effect and will pop up even more. For my waterline, I have choose a pencil from Artist Color Pencil, the shade Lava and So On 800. It's a very pinkish color, I love it a lot. Next step is applying rímel. My favorite one is Mega Volume for L'Oréal Paris. For my eyebrows, I use one of my favorite technique. I use Aqua Brow from Makeup Forever and the brush 272. Also from Makeup Forever, I'm gonna apply a little bit of product on my hand, warm it up a little bit, blend it into the brush, and then slightly apply it on the hairs of my brows. I don't like very harsh eyebrows. I don't like to draw a line or to put a lot of products on them. For my lips, instead of making that vampy, fierce look, I have choose the red color from Morphe palette. I applied this slightly in the interior of my lips, and then I'm gonna come over with the NYX This Is Everything lip oil. After I did these two steps, I'm gonna blend with my finger exactly on the contour of my lips until I get the effect that I want. For the blush, I also choose two of the Artist Color Face colors. One is in the shade B308 and another one in the shade B500. I mixed these two together and I applied it with the brush 128 from Makeup Forever. One of my favorite highlights is the one from NYX, Born to Glow. I applied it with the brush 120 from Makeup Forever. Alright, that's all for today. I hope you really liked it. I love it. And see you on the next one. Bye!